we managed to successfully execute one of our planned operations. What happened 6 months back, we had a program and a project where we were gathering intelligence with regard to this illegal mining activity that is taking place. We noted that it's mostly operated by foreign nationals. 2 months back, we did come to try to execute the operation, but it wasn't so successful because out of that operation, we only managed to recover over 600 rounds of AK-47 and 2 AK-47 abandoned. We managed to arrest that time about 30 undocumented people. But we then have to review that plan and operation. And after reviewing it, we monitored the place. We used various electronic drones, chopper which can take video footages. Our intelligence was hard at work to ensure